Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss the another LeetCode problem from the weekly contest 201. Okay, so it's an easy problem. So the problem title is make the string grid. So how to make the string grid? So in the description part, what is given is we have to find like si and si plus 1, the two characters which are adjacent to each other in a such, and those have to be like one character. Like if we consider the s of I is lowercase, then s of I has to be the I plus 1 has to be uppercase, or vice versa. If it is the case, then we have to discard those characters from the string, and finally we have to return the string, whatever the string is. Like it can be the empty string, or it can be having only the small case characters. Okay, so for example, in this example 1, the given string is LeetCode. So here if we see the first E and the second E, the first E is small and second E is capital, so we have to discard those, and after that whatever string is left we have to return it. So that is a LeetCode, that has to be the output. Let's take an example 2. Here if we see, so here first what we have to do is, first we have to discard this small b and capital B. After that we will get a string as A, capital A, C and capital small c and capital C. Then again we can discard the A, small a and capital A. Then again we will be left with the string which is having the character small c and capital C. Again we will discard, so finally the string will be empty. So how to solve this problem? So basically, to solve this problem, what we have to do over here is we have to use the recursive approach, and we have to check for every iteration whatever string we have, the adjacent characters are the the combination of lowercase and uppercase, or uppercase or lowercase. If it is the case, then next check we have to perform is whether the two characters are same or not. Not in terms of the case sensitive, but in terms of the their ASCII values, we can say. So here let's get into the code part now. So here we are given a function make good, which accepts a string as an input parameter, and we have to return the string only as an output. So initially we will check if the string length is 0, then what we have to do is we can simply return the empty string over here. Now if the string length is 1, that is only one character. If we take an example 3 over here, so in the example 3 only one character is given, so there is no adjacent, so we just simply have to return that string as it is, that is a single character string. Okay, after that what I am doing is it is a kind of expensive operation in terms of the space, but again it is a easy problem, so there is no restriction with respect to the time bounds or space complexity, so it will cover the test cases. So here I am defining this variable O, so O stands for the old string. Then I am defining the string builder. I am passing the same string as it is, because I have to perform the different kind of like there can, like earlier I was thinking to perform the some sort of reverse operations, but it was not passing the test cases. But still, for the safety, I am considering the string builder over here. Then I am iterating through this for loop from 1 to length of the string. Why it is? Because I will be checking in a such a way that I will be checking the 0th character, like previous character, with the current character. So I stands for the correct character, and I minus 1 will be the previous character. So first check I am doing over here is whether I am having the whatever like characters are there at the ith position and the previous position, those are same. So to do that, I have to first convert them into the lowercase character. If it is the case, then only it will perform this if the further if conditions. Otherwise, I can simply move to the next character. So it avoids the time. So after that, if the condition gets satisfied, let's say if it is a small e, and after that what I am doing is I am checking the either or condition. If the first character is lower and the current character is lower and the previous character is upper, or if the current character is upper and the previous character is lower. So that is this highlighted if condition is there with the help of the OR query. And once it is the case, then what I am doing is here what I am checking is the character at the ith position is not equal to the character of I minus 1 position. it means that we are having the similar character, but in terms of the case sensitivity those are different. Then only I have to perform the further operation. So to do the further operation, what I have to do is, first I have to get the substring excluding the from 0 to excluding that previous character. So it will be having the L in this example case 1, and next to that the capital E. So I have to do is I have to get the substring from that I plus 1 character. So whatever the characters after E, capital E, so that will be considered. So it will merge those two strings, and again it will perform the make good operation on the combined string. So at this time I will be having the L from the first substring, and left from the right substring it will be like let me show you. So the first substring will be having this only L character, and the right substring will be having the I plus 1. So this will be the EEDCODE, that is a substring. So again it will perform the operation on LeetCode, but LeetCode it is not having any kind of characters which are like adjacent character which are having the small letter and the uppercase letter. So it will finally return the LeetCode as a string. So let me run this program and let me show you the output for this. Okay, so here is the output. So it has got accepted, and let me show you the test coverage part over here. So here we can see it has covered all the 334 test cases. So that's it for now. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.